back with another Westkiss wig, and this is their Body Wave 13x6 lace front wig in 30 inches, and the density of this wig is 250% density. So first things first, I go in and cut my ear tabs so that the wig can fit perfectly on my head. I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue to lay my lace down, and I believe I put around 2 layers of this glue. I usually do 1 layer if I'm not really doing too much, if it's not really hot outside, but if it's hot and you start sweating, I do like 2 to 3 layers. When it comes time to lay that lace down, I do like to lay my lace down in sections. It just helps me to focus on each section better. But let's get into how nice this lace looks. This is the HD lace, and I am always here for Westkiss lace. Like, I feel like it just looks so natural. When I blow dry the lace, when I am applying the lace to the glue, I make sure that I press down firmly just to make sure that the lace is fully glued down. There was like extra lace around like the ear tab area, so I did go in and just cut that lace off. So I'm going in with my elastic band and the blow dryer just to really get that melt on the lace. So now I'm just cutting off that excess lace, and I like to cut the lace in like a zigzag motion. I feel like it just looks more natural that way. So now I'm going in with the Ruby Kiss cream foundation, and I love this product. This product really helps to blend that lace in to match your skin tone, your skin complexion, and this is like everything when it comes to getting that nice natural look. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest setting and my brush, and I'm just basically just trying to flatten down this wig more. I like to do this before I hot comb it because it just gives it that flat foundation. I'm going in with a Nairobi foam mousse to lay down my edges. So to give my hair a little bit of shine and luster, I went in with the Bio Silk Serum. I like using Bio Silk. I feel like it doesn't weigh the hair down too much as a serum, and it also smells good. With Westkiss hair, I rarely ever have to worry about the hair tangling on me or shedding. I just really feel like this hair is really that good. Even with this hair being 30 inches long, I did not worry about it shedding at all or tangling. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. So I wanted to go for that like loose curl look with the two updo little pinups. And overall, Westkiss hair is always top tier quality hair for me, including their lace. I'm never disappointed when it comes to Westkiss hair.